time they must have left me behind. Send shivers down my spine. Tell me, how did we get here? And where the fuck do we go now? First I was floating through the atmosphere, but now I'm looking up at rock bottom, My next door neighbor said I better get the 9 to 5 just to stay alive. Talking about change, boy, that's nothing but a waste of time. Now I wish that I read the signs better, cause the writing was on the wall. And now we got front row seats, watch the system